there, welcome back to Missy's Kitchen, coming to you from the beautiful province of Prince Edward Island. Today in the kitchen we're going to make iced coffee. So the first step to making our iced coffee is making a syrup. So for that you're going to need vanilla, brown sugar, white sugar, and water. So I've got my burner turned on to a medium-high heat just to start, and I use a saucepan just because it heats up better and more even. So first we're going to put our water in. Our brown sugar. Our white sugar. A lot of sugar, but we are making a syrup. And our vanilla. Give that a stir. This will become very hot to handle, so be careful. We're going to bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to turn the burner down to about medium and just let it go. Approximately 5 minutes. You want to make sure the sugar dissolves. It's starting to boil, so you want to turn your burner down a couple of notches. Mine's on 7. And you're just going to let it boil. Okay, so our syrup has been boiling for about 5 minutes, so it's done. So we're going to take it off the burner. And be very careful, this is really hot. Just going to move it over, turn our burner off. So you can store your syrup in the fridge in a container for about up to maybe a week. And I always try to make sure that I have a pitcher full of coffee in the fridge so that when you assemble your drink, everything will be cool. So we've got some ice in our glass and a 1/3 cup of the syrup. I'm going to pour that in first. And then a 1/3 cup of milk, cream, whatever you want to use. That in. And then I just fill my glass up with the cold coffee. You can just go ahead and give it a stir. There you have it, homemade iced coffee. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now.